Okay, so we've added a few pages to our Sandbox site, and we have added some images and done some different linking to articles. We added a video to the Sandbox site, and it's looking pretty decent, but let's be honest, it still looks like a Google site. And so let's see if we can spruce it up a little bit by changing around our site layout. And so the first thing that I'm going to do is, rather than having a sidebar of navigation, I'm going to turn on horizontal navigation. And so if I go into More and then click on Edit Site Layout, I get the ability to edit my header, add horizontal navigation, turn off the sidebar, add a custom footer, change my site width, so on and so forth. And so I am going to turn on horizontal navigation, which I can see that it's on now here because when I go into horizontal navigation, it's highlighted there. So I'm going to edit that horizontal navigation bar by just clicking in there. And so I have currently my home page on my horizontal navigation bar, but I want to add some other pages there. I want to add my social media page and my Twitter page there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my social media and college admissions and click OK, and that's there. And I'll add another page and go to my Twitter page and click OK. Now, in sequencing my classes or my content, actually Twitter is going to come before social media, and I'd like it to appear before social media on the horizontal navigation bar. So if I just make sure that Twitter is highlighted and click this up button, I can then change it so that Twitter shows up before social media on the horizontal navigation. I'm going to click OK. And now you can see that I have these pages showing up here. And actually, I really don't need the navigation for the sidebar anymore. So I can just X out of that. Yep, I want to delete them because I can still get to the pages by clicking, oops, that's fine, by closing and clicking on what is going on. Clicking on social media or clicking on Twitter. I just needed to refresh my browser there, and then it eventually took. So that's how you turn on horizontal navigation. Now you'll notice I have this here big white space on the side, and so if I go again to edit site layout, I might decide to add some things to the sidebar. Like, for example, I might add a countdown. And so countdown to what event? To Christmas. And I'm going to choose the date, December 25th. And so it's 43 days now until Christmas. If I don't like this widget or this item that I added to the sidebar, I can always just X out of it and get rid of it. And so that's a quick tutorial as to how to edit your site layout.